Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to Foam, Passion on My Hair. Now dandruff is a common scalp disorder that can be caused because of various reasons like dry scalp, oily irritated skin and also growth of fungi and bacteria on the scalp, etc. But don't worry, we have some home remedies for you that will help you get rid of dandruff completely. So keep watching. White vinegar is one of the best home treatments for dandruff. Vinegar contains acetic acid that prevents the growth of fungi on the scalp and also relieves itching. All you need to do is massage vinegar into your scalp. Make sure that the vinegar does not enter your eyes. The best way to use this mixture is to boil first 2 cups of vinegar, then take 1/8 cup of vinegar to 1 cup of water and use it before shampoo. Scalp dryness can also be cured with extra virgin olive oil. Heat some extra virgin olive oil till it's warm, massage it in your scalp and then wrap your hair with a warm towel. Leave it on for about 45 minutes or the entire night and in the morning, shampoo and condition your hair normally. You can repeat this remedy a few times a week. According to some studies, only 5% of tea tree oil significantly cures the severity of dandruff. Just add a few drops of tea tree oil to your favorite shampoo and wash normally. Being a mild exfoliant, baking soda removes the dead skin cells and absorbs the excess oil. It also balances the pH level of the scalp and prevents the growth of fungi that can cause dandruff. Wet your hair and rub some baking soda onto your scalp. After a few minutes, rinse off your hair with warm water. You can repeat this process once or twice for a few weeks. But do not shampoo your hair after this treatment. Yogurt prevents the scaling of the scalp and pepper is antifungal. Take 2 spoons of black pepper and grind it finely. Now mix this with yogurt and apply this on your scalp. Leave it on for an hour and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Neem has antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Boil neem leaves for about an hour. Make a paste and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with water. Fenugreek or methi seeds also prevent the occurrence of dandruff because they have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in the night in water. In the morning, grind them into a paste. Add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to this paste and apply it on your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Fuller's Earth works wonders for both hair and scalp. The cooling effect of Fuller's Earth soothes the scalp, absorbs the oil and fights irritation. Mix Fuller's Earth with water and add lime juice to it. Apply this on your scalp, leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Orange peel has great benefits when it comes to hair. The acidic property of orange peel absorbs the oil and also conditions hair. Mix orange peel with lemon juice in a food processor to bring it to a paste. Apply this on your hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash your hair off with a shampoo. You can repeat this process twice to thrice a week to get better results. Aloe vera is very effective to keep dandruff in check. You can either scoop out the gel from the aloe plant or use the gel that's available at drugstores. Massage this into your scalp, leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with water. But just make sure that your hair isn't oily. Basil leaves is one of the many natural ingredients to cure dandruff. The combination of basil leaves and amla powder is excellent. Grind them together to make a paste, apply this on your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your hair off with fresh water. So ladies, these were some of the natural remedies that will help you get rid of dandruff completely. If you've liked this video, share it with your friends. And for more such remedies, subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Hair. Bye!